Hello Leos, welcome to Brutally True Tarot, and this is a reading from 30th of March to 4th of April. So let's check what are the messages for you. Messages for Leos. The Devil. Queen of Wands. Page of Cups and Ace of Pentacles. And Two of Wands. Page of Cups is here. Looks like, Leo, you have got someone back on track. It could be a Pisces. However, that's not so necessary because this is general reading. But you made someone confess their feelings. You made someone come back to you effortlessly. Yes, you were not making any effort. You were just being yourself once again, and this person was attracted. Because here you see the card of the Devil. Possibly there is a third party, or there was a third party. And this person was trying to keep your person off you or away from you. And here we have Queen of Wands. You are way more charming. You look like you know who you are. You don't care about anyone but about yourself, because after a long time you have realized that it's your duty to be happy. It's your first job, or it's your right to be happy. You just cannot keep thinking about the devil all the time, and you just cannot keep thinking about the person who is distracted towards this devil when they are not supposed to do so. It's like you found your peace of mind, you gathered your courage, you rediscovered yourself. You are looking attractive, Leo. It's like you are focused on your looks. It's like you are behaving in a way that is meant for you. You are Leo, the lion, and you are the leader. You know how to lead, and you are being yourself. You are not doing anything to attract this person. But this person is, charmed to see you this way. This person is happy to see you this way. They feel like you have found yourself, and that is making them come back to you. It's like they feel that they have discovered their old Leo, the Leo they had a great love with, and it's like they have found someone they lost long ago. It's like they're holding this Ace of Pentacles. This person wants to hold on this relationship. This person wants to keep you for themselves. They are being possessive. They are once again claiming that you are theirs, or you belong to them. And it's like they are happy that you have changed. This person likes the change. However, you have ignored them. You have already stopped thinking about that. But just when you stop thinking about them, this person is attracted towards you. And that's because you're focused on yourself. It could be surprising, but this person never stopped thinking about you. Even if this relationship was ruined by the devil, or something was not right, this person still had this soft corner for you. And somewhere in their heart they knew that you'll be always there with them. And it's like once again you have reignited the fire, and they are here. They don't want to give away this pentacle. They know the value of this pentacle. They were feeling like something was missing from this relationship, but now they know that romance is back. And here we have Two of Wands. You are reaping the fruits of your efforts. It's like you are getting your rewards, and this person is realizing how much effort you have put into it. This person is realizing you have great strength. This person knows that you are someone who is not hollow, or who doesn't have this shallow intentions. You are someone who is not fake. Yes, at least they know who the devil is. Now they know that the other person is someone who is fake, who is shallow, who will not stand by them, in a tough situation. And meanwhile, they see you that you have gathered strength, you can stand for yourself. Somehow this is really being irresistible for this person. This person could be a little bit selfish as well, because they're thinking about their own benefit. It's like the devil thought that this person will be there for them because they love them, but no. This person was there with them because of your weakness, because you were not paying attention to yourself, or you lost control over this relationship because you were not giving enough time to it, or maybe you were not paying much attention to the needs of this person because of your occupation or because of something else. So the ego of this devil is shattered. The third party knows the truth. Now they know their position, or where they stand in this relationship. Who are they in comparison to you? You are Queen of Wands and they are the devil. Let's go ahead and check some more messages. King of Cups. Six of Cups. Nine of Wands. Nine of Cups, Nine of Wands, and Nine of Cups. Side by side. And Ten of Cups as well. Okay. So you could be married to this person. Here we have Ten of Cups. It shows a family. And you both might have a family together. It's a reunion. It's like that they have decided to move away from this complex situation. Now they know who the devil is and who are they in comparison to you. And with the Six of Cups, I see you both enjoying the past moments. I see you both discussing about the past. And you might have a long history of dating, or this relationship is a long one. And now here we have King of Cups. So King of Cups knows that what their responsibilities are and how they are supposed to behave. Somewhere the ignorance that they have seen from your side have made them realize that you won't put up with anything that they have to do. It's like that you're not going to ignore their bad things or bad habits or something like this, like being an option or being a third party. And this has made them change. Now they know that they need to be responsible. They need to be, they need to be careful about this relationship. They need to care about you and about the family, something like this. And then here we have Nine of Wands. This person is sitting here. They know that finally they have an escape. Usually this card here shows that this person is stuck, but then we have Nine of Cups next to it. Simply it means that they were manifesting for it and now they have found a way. It's like they know that where they're supposed to be and what the truth is, what is the reality and what is illusion, who is the right one, who is the fake one. Everything is clear, and they want some stability. It's like they're done with this game of the devil, and they know that where they're supposed to be. However, this is a general reading. This is not going to resonate for all, and you can check your moon and rising sign as well. This could be a fire sign with this Nine of Wands, or it could be an earth sign, a lot of cups here. So let's go ahead and check an oracle message for you, Leos. grandmother of Jesus, seeding the light, laying foundations, divine plan. So you are laying foundations. It's like you are laying foundations of something that was ruined and something that fell into pieces. And now you are gathering those pieces, and the divine is helping you. Divine plan. The divine had this in mind. The divine wanted you to be together once again, and that's why these things are happening, and you both are together. You can join it and you can create once again what was once there. You can rejuvenate the romance. You can live those moments once again, and seeding the light. Yes, you are seeding the light. You are, lighting the candle of hope. You are lighting the, what can I say? Yes, the candle of hope, and the rays are, illuminating your life, and these are reaching out in every area of your life. You'll feel happy, you'll feel lively, and this is something that you were waiting for. You both have been manifesting for with this Nine of Cups, and it is following in your life. So keep thinking positive. So this was the reading for this week. I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. Till next video. Bye.